In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reporting tags to invoices and bills in Zoho Books. Adding these tags can be really beneficial for keeping track of various financial aspects and customizing your reports to better fit your business needs. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger team, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. If you haven't already bookmarked this site, you might want to consider doing so just for quick access in the future. Once the page is loaded, look around and find the option to sign in. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Zoho Books homepage. Now that you're in your account, let's move on to the settings. On your Zoho Books dashboard, look for the Settings option. It might be nestled in a toolbar, so take your time to spot it. Clicking on Settings will open up a series of customization and configuration options for your account. Next, within the Settings menu, find and click on Customization. This tab allows you to tailor Zoho Books according to your business's specific needs. Customization is an important step because it offers flexibility and lets you set up the platform just the way you like it. After selecting customization, locate the reporting tags option, click on it, and you'll be able to manage the tags you use for your invoices and bills. Reporting tags are extremely helpful for tracking different business operations, departments, or project expenses. They can really enhance how detailed and insightful your financial reports are. To add a new tag, look for the New Tag button within the Reporting Tag section. Clicking this will open a form where you can input the details of your new tag. When creating a tag, choose a descriptive name that clearly represents the category or aspect you want to track. This clarity can be invaluable down the line when you're pulling up reports and analyzing data. Once you've entered all the necessary details for your new tag, make sure to save your changes. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new reporting tag to your Zoho Books account. This new capability will allow you to organize and access your financial data in a way that directly meets your business's specific needs. And there you have it. You now know how to add reporting tags to your invoices and bills in Zoho Books. By systematically following these steps, you can effortlessly enhance your financial management procedures, resulting in more tailored and insightful reports. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay on top of your business's finances.